I need a cushion here.
You'll fit in this, like completely.
Yeah.
You mind if we capture your house?
Yeah, we will find.
Good then. Yes.
Let's go.
I did everything.
मलाई
Only good thing is,
एक में दो मलाई. ये इसमें मलाई है.
oh, what is this?
That's amazing.
This is malai.
It's the best thing in the world.
Wow.
आपकी गर्मी में नींबू. This is the Raj Bhavan, Vidhan Sabha.
Raj Bhavan road बना दिया.
This is what Chief Minister's office? Okay
जहाँ
then.
जा रहे हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट.
Where are we going?
वो लखनऊ है.
Yeah.
Acha. So what does he serve? Sharmas.
They serve you the bun makkhan and the samosas.
Oh.
Not the tikona one.
Acha. Oh, okay. Interesting. It's recording. Hi. This is Arya. My niece. I'm her masi. I know. But I'm telling people.
There's a tray also.
Oh.
One cha,
Mama, take my watch.
Okay.
two cha,
अच्छा बेटा एक सेकंड.
भाभी ये भी अपनी ले ली.
mini
Yes.
with separate.
Oh my.
Thank you. This is a round samosa, famous here.
Regalia. और the famous Hazratganj चौराहा.
Why is there no H
अवध
in
अलग
the
चीज है
spelling?
यही अवध. लखनऊ का पहले.
But we say Lucknow, no? We have this prominent kh sound.
क्या नाम था उसका संस्कृत का?
LUCK. लखनऊ.
अच्छा. CK को ख.
इसकी कहानी ये है.
He doesn't remember himself.
There's a way from here to Calcutta. Same lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. Ask Ruby.
Okay, so you're saying this leads to another. What are you kids up to?
Nothing. I'm trying to be friends with her.
We're going to get lots of pics clicked here. And maybe here. Yeah.
So this with my jeans, those are like the loose ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or
Oh, I
Yeah, I've
love
seen
this cropped sweater.
so which one? This or that photo?
I think farmhouse is going to be very warm, but if we stay there till evening or night,
So then I can carry a jacket. Right? I have
yeah, you can carry your jacket. Love this.
school ones.
Yeah. You wore this to school? To teach?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes, I did.
What do the students think?
Nothing. They just like my clothes.
Guys, in case you didn't know, she's a teacher. I look so hideous.
What do I do?
So wear something light. I don't think you should wear a cardigan directly on your skin. You should wear something which is cottony first.
This is forward. You're gonna turn right. You wanna turn left, then you put a right foot
sorry. Doesn't matter.
अभी तुमने गलती कर दी पूरा प्रेशर को पीठ पे ऐसे आएगा तो भाई टूट वाली
Wow, look at the pros here. Awesome. What is he doing?
What's up? Hanging around. Where are you?
I am at his place.
Who is his? Hi.
So today we had an excellent day. Right now we're going for dinner and this is my outfit. I guess I'm a little too formal, but I like it. And we got lots of pictures clicked today. We did a lot of photography.
Let's try one more.
I don't know how to.
Can you see this?
And today morning we started our day with the very famous makkhan malai, which is like sort of the ras from the ras malai. And then we had chai and round samosas with bun makkhan from the very famous Sharma Ji Tea. Right now we're going out for dinner and yeah, I'm gonna get more pictures clicked.